Tata Hitachi's integrated Re-MAN Kharagpur facility, established in 2018, embodies Tata Hitachi's commitment to providing sustainable, reliable and cost-effective solutions to our esteemed customers. Our mission at Re-MAN is clear: to reduce operating expenses, minimize downtime and extend the life of aggregates, enhancing operational efficiency and profitability. At Re-MAN Center, we start with core handling. Each old core is tagged and pre-inspected, assigned an unique job number for tracking through our streamlined process. Our safe and efficient dismantling process ensures dismantling part by part of aggregates. Hydraulic and liner presses facilitate safer extraction of bearings, liners and gears. Each step is documented with detailed reports and photo documentation. Our cleaning facilities include high-pressure machines and chemical-based cleaners to ensure thorough cleaning of components from engine blocks, casing and other child parts. After dismantling and cleaning, all child part goes through intense quality check with respect to Hitachi parameters. Experienced and skilled workforce are carrying out the dismantling, component quality check and report creation activity. Skilled manpower and advanced tools ensure precise assembly. Each step is verified using OEM parameters, assembly check sheets, guaranteeing quality and reliability at each step. 100% genuine parts are used for remanufacturing of assembly. We use state-of-the-art hydraulic test rigs to validate 100% Re-MAN hydraulic pumps and motors to meet standard parameters. Key metrics like pressure, flow rate and efficiency are taken into consideration. Re-MAN Center features dedicated hydraulic and eddy current dynamometer for load test of 100% Re-MAN engines from 13 kilowatt to 750 kilowatt. Digital control systems capture critical parameters, ensuring performance meets stringent standards. After testing, a dedicated paint booth ensures engines and aggregates receive OEM recommended paint coats, enhancing durability and aesthetics. Post-painting, our PDI team conducts thorough inspections, ensuring every component meets quality standards before dispatch. Over 220 ready-to-use construction and mining engines, hydraulic pumps and motors are stocked across Re-MAN Center in Kharagpur and in our national warehouses, ensuring quick delivery and reduced downtime for our customers. Specially designed stands and brackets ensure safe transportation of aggregates to customer sites, backed by Tata Hitachi's robust after-sales support nationwide. Tata Hitachi Re-MAN facilities stand ready to support our customers across India, ensuring their equipment operates at peak performance with reliability you can trust.